Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about creating a new user account on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in computer management. Best result should come back with computer management. Go ahead and open that up. You want to left click on local users and groups on the left side, and then you want to right click on the users folder and then select new user. Now you can name this username whatever you want. So I'm just going to call them new account, and you could give them a name as well if you want to do that. And then if you want to add a password, you can. Otherwise, you don't have to do that. This is going to be a local user account, so it's not going to require the use of a Microsoft-based email in order to create the account, by the way. So that's kind of why I like doing this. It gets us right down to it, basically, just this normal user account. And then if you want to check mark which says user must change password at the next login, you can. Otherwise, just uncheck that option. And then you're going to select create. And then if you close out of here and you sign out of your current user account and you slide up the lock screen here, you see there's our new account that we just created. And if you sign in, it'll give you the process of actually setting up the account. So pretty straightforward process. I'm not going to bore you guys by setting up this new account. It's pretty self-explanatory from here, just like you would in any normal Windows account. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.